Hi everybody, welcome back to the Timber Worker. This week we're going to make
Bullet Bill from Mario.
Bullet Bill from Mario. I've got my trusty assistant here with me. Tell everyone your name.
Luke.
Luke, also known as the Lumber Worker. So we're going to make Bullet Bill for a couple of reasons. The main one is because me and Luke, we just love making things in the workshop, don't we? And also there's the Young Maker Challenge going on that we've been desperate to get a video together for, and also there's another one which I've just come across called Art of the Geek, and this month's challenge is Mario related. So we thought we'll kill 3 birds with 1 stone and crack on. So first things first, we need to get kitted up. Okay, ready to go. Face mask, goggles and a visor as well. Should keep you safe. So we've finished turning this into a nice round blank. Started tapering the end off. I'm quite happy with how the grain's coming out here. It's looking really nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I flipped it round, cut a recess in the back, put it onto the chuck. I'm going to keep turning it with the tailstock on just for safety as much as anything. And then we're going to start tapering it down into the bullet shape, adding the decoration, and then it will be ready for painting. So we'll crack on again. So the first thing we're going to do is a bit of red on the bottom. Use ink, because then hopefully we should still be able to see all that lovely grain. Oh, I've done this up tight. Oh, that was tight.
What's grain?
All the different black pattern in the wood. so we've got Bullet Bill all painted up, inked up in black. So the next thing we need to do
is the eyes.
The eyes, that's right. So what we're going to do, we're going to check the plans. When I say plans, I mean a Google search. And we'll have a look at what the picture looks like. So that's what the eyes look like. So we're going to paint those onto here.
We're jumping away on the multis buttons. Dances.
Do them again then.
Okay. Wait, what's this one?
Okay, get back on with your painting then, mister.
Come on! I like Fortnite.
Yes, Fortnite dancing is good.
Flip. There.
Let's make sure we get it right around the edges, and then we can flip it over.
Right, I know one. There's one more. There's one more Fortnite dance. It is a. I only. Whoops. What was the exit? I'm only going to have one. This should be a camera. There. You jump again.